Good evening. Today is Monday, 28th December 2020. I am Sudarshan Sukhani, and today, instead of doing a live video, although this is also live, I am using some charts to explain some market points of view. As usual, in this video show, we discuss intraday and swing trading strategies for the Nifty and the Bank Nifty, and that is what we will do today also, although you will only hear my voice and see the charts. This is a 30-minute chart for the Nifty. Now, this was the point on Monday when markets had fallen, and that was the point at which a momentum indicator that I have written, or let's say that I have designed, gave me a buy signal. How do you buy? You buy above the high of the current bar. We could not buy here. The high was not crossed. The next bar, the high was crossed, and we went long here. After that, the Nifty actually went through a minor dip, but never came below this level, which was our original stop loss. So the trend has been up. I used two different moving averages. They are those new modern zero lag type of moving averages, and the average crossed the price here, and since then it has been going up. So what we are seeing now is a consistent uptrend. The market is moving up consistently. We saw a trading range and a breakout from that trading range. The trend was up. This breakout should be bought into, and now, which is what I want to show you. Today we saw another trading range. Towards the close of the day, the market actually broke out above this trading range. Now, when you see a trading range in an ongoing uptrend, we expect that this range will break on the upside, and the price target for this particular range should be approximately 13,950. Now, targets are just that. They don't have to be followed and obeyed. The market doesn't care about the targets. They are meant only for our risk management. But at least we have a level towards which we can aim. Note this trading range, a breakout, significant move, another trading range. Now, I would expect this should also break on the upside. But whether it breaks on the upside or comes on the downside, our trade will be to be on the long side only. And the market is at lifetime highs. We do not want to be on the short side of the market. This is the daily chart. This is the point in the daily when the buy signal was given, as good as it gets. Here, the moving average crossed the slow moving average. We've had 1, 2, and 3 trading ranges, although of course smaller ranges were also there. Can you see anything bearish here? Not yet. Now, just like this, prices will pause, they will come down, they will perhaps become into a correction. But so far, with lifetime new highs again being made, this chart cannot be considered to be bearish. It's as bullish as it gets, which essentially means you buy whenever you can. So that's the view for tomorrow. Now, this market will pause someday. Therefore, we must be aware of the risks of buying, but we still have to be only on the long side of the market. Thank you for watching this video. We'll meet again tomorrow. Jai Hind.